Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video I'm bringing you this unit. I'm doing just like a quick easy install with my Bold Hold Extreme Cream and this wig. And this wig is from UNice Hair company. Playlist up the top. Links to this company's wigs and everything is going to be down in the description box, along with the details of this particular unit. This unit is 24 inches. It's the balayage unit. You know, these companies been jumping on the balayage unit, so this is what I'm coming to you with today, and it's just gonna be a quick easy install. I'm not even styling this, as you guys can see. This is a body wave texture, and you can actually wear it in its natural state. I did comb the hair out, so it's a little bit frizzy, but if you've been rocking with me, you know I don't care about that. So that's totally your preference. I will say that this wig is slightly more thicker and a little bit more frizzier than the other balayage wig that I reviewed from another company. I would prefer this wig. I love hair that's obviously thicker, but I don't mind the frizz, and it goes away when you flat iron it anyways, or curling it. If you know the other company that I reviewed for, then you know. If not, go ahead, scroll and watch some other videos of mine. But I definitely do prefer this one because of how it feels and how it looks. I think they did a good job with the color placement. It's not too blocky for me or whatever. It's not like harsh. I don't know where these sound effects are coming from, but y'all get me. This wig is average cap size, and I will say I did take advantage of the adjustable straps. This is big head friendly. I really like the lace. The lace is really good. I like medium brown lace or Swiss lace, and this is, I believe, medium brown, and it just really matched with my skin. I did not bleach the knots, but I did end up plucking. You always have to pluck your wig, so that's exactly what I did with this one. But that's really all I have to say, because a lot of these wigs, especially from AliExpress, or you know, they're jumping over to Amazon, these companies kind of have basically the same wigs, so it's not really much more that I can say about this, except for the little tiny differences that I told you guys, that it's a little bit thicker and just a little bit frizzier. But in my opinion, frizziness holds a curl sometimes too. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you lovelies in my next one. Bye.
do 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 dee do 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 do. Boy, I know this might seem strange, but let me know if I'm out of order for stepping to you this way, 'cause I have to know